Hey guys, today we're in my home city Perth in Western Australia and we're on a quest to find the best mocktails and non-alcoholic beers. Now I'm normally a solo travel vlogger here on my YouTube channel Roxanne Taylor Media, but today I'm doing a collaboration. Hi, I'm Caitlin from the YouTube channel Caitlin Bloody Mary and we are going to go and find the best of what Perth has to offer. So click like, subscribe and let's go! We're here at the Brisbane Hotel with Ellie, who is the manager. And first of all, cheers.
Cheers.
Now, tell us, what is this non-alcoholic gin?
So this is Seedlip Garden actually. So this is a South Seed, which is our version on the south side. So minus gin, add the Seedlip Garden, which is like a really sort of grassy, sort of flavoured, non-alcoholic distilled spirit. The first of its kind, which is awesome. You wouldn't even know it's non-alcoholic, right?
It tastes delicious,
Tasty, right?
absolutely delicious. What about this one?
So this is a ginger mule. Everybody loves the ginger. So it's based on a Moscow mule, but obviously sans alcohol. So it's got ginger beer, a bit of lime, a bit of bitters. Really easy, really chill, moreish.
Statistics show that our generation is drinking less alcohol.
Yeah.
Is mocktails a response to that?
I think so in a big way, because people are more, we realise it's not just about the binge drinking culture that used to be so big, and I know sometimes it still is, but I think it's more about enjoying the pleasure of people's company, and sometimes some people just don't react well to alcohol. I know a lot of people that are allergic to alcohol or have bad reactions, preservatives. There's a lot of things in alcohol that can affect people negatively, and I think that's why people are kind of gearing towards more, non-alcoholic beverages, which they don't need to rely on the alcohol to have fun, and to enjoy the night and enjoy their friends.
Cool, well I think this is pretty fun, so cheers.
Yeah.
This Seedlip is delicious.
Good.
Hey guys, we're at the Standard in Northbridge, a very popular spot with the after-work crowd and also on the weekends. We're here with the lovely Mark Patterson, who is one of the best venue managers in Perth.
We're going to make 3 different mocktails tonight. I'm going to start with our Chinatown chilled. So we'll just give it a little bit of CO2 just to spark it up a little bit. So we've got a Chinese herbal tea in this one. We've got a really spicy ginger beer in there. And then we've got some other little special elements.
So paying a really nice homage to the fact that Standard is right in the middle of Chinatown. My favourite part about it is that as you put it up to drink, all this pickled ginger on the top really hits your nose, and so much of your drink is about your aroma that it really does kind of set the stage for what you're about to drink. It might look a little murky, but so does tea, and I love a good cup of tea, and I love this drink.
Remember when you were a kid and you used to go down to the shops and you'd get the little packets of Whiz Fizz? This one's designed to taste like that Whiz Fizz did when you were a kid. We've got lots of great citrus in there. We've used some lychee syrup. We've used some coconut water. There's some lemon in there providing the whiz to the fizz. Cocoa lychee Whiz Fizz.
So do you find that most of the people that are ordering these mocktails are non-drinkers?
A lot of people who aren't drinking will enjoy these and feel like part of the group. But equally, a lot of people who are having a few drinks and they either have to drive or they have something else going on, they feel like they might have had enough for the moment, they'll have a couple of mocktails in the middle. So it's just a great way to socialise.
And so I've got the peaches and dreams to try.
Apples and peaches and a little bit of elderflower and just niceness. The one thing that gives this a nice little bit of zing is there's a bunch of peach bitters in there, which really gives it a big lift.
Oh, that is so good. I know that the other one here is called a Whiz Fizz, but I think this tastes a bit like a sherbet. It's got that real nice, sweet flavour. And edible flowers. I hope they're edible at least.
Tell me, Mark, which one is your favourite of the 3?
For me, it's that harken back to childhood and the cocoa lychee Whiz Fizz. Cheers.
Now for a little change of scenery, we are going to head a little bit further south of Perth to the port city of Fremantle, known for its lively streets, arts culture and plenty of bars, cafes and restaurants. So we're going to head to our favourite afternoon venue where we can drink up all those good vibes. Okay, let's go see if we can get a non-alcoholic beer. Awesome, 2 of those please. Heineken. So I think it's delicious, but Cait actually used to work in the beer industry for many years, so she's probably got a more expert view. What do you think of it?
I think it is a fantastic lager. It's fresh, it's crisp. On a warm day, it really is going to refresh you and hit the spot. Even on a cold day like this, it has enough of those roasty malts that it feels great to drink. And you know, like when you have one of the biggest breweries in the world, like Heineken, making 0.0% beers, you know it's time for the rest of the beer industry to sit up and take notice. Because there are massive beer geeks like me that still want to enjoy something that's tasty without getting absolutely blown. Let's face it.
Cheers to that, mate. Cheers. And if you can't be bothered getting dressed up and going out, you can actually buy non-alcoholic beer in most bottle shops these days.
I picked these ones up from Main Liquor, which is a great bottle shop with an amazing selection of non-alcoholic beverages, including the Seedlip.
And you can also pick up non-alcoholic beer in most supermarkets these days too. So
with that being said, cheers to that, hey?
So if you're doing Dry July this year, good luck to you. If you're trying to give up alcohol more long term, feel free to drop a comment if you want any advice or tips on how to go about it. I'm almost 2 years without a drink.
And I'm hitting my 1 year in about a week now. So if you want to head over to my channel and hear about my journey, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel.
And like and subscribe to mine here too, and we'll see you again next time.
Cheers, guys. That's actually funny.